Hey guys, today we are making an eggless chocolate pudding which is a no bake, no oven, no gelatin or no eggs dessert. So let's begin. In a bowl, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour. This add about half cup of cocoa powder. To this add some milk. Give this a whisk so that there is no lumps in the mixture. You can add some more milk if required. Whisk this well to remove any lumps and make this a smooth corn flour slurry. This is a super forgiving recipe. You do not need to use any exact measurements and customize it according to your taste. Once that's done, set aside. Now, in a heavy bottom saucepan, add about 750 ml of raw milk. The total amount of milk used in this recipe is 750 ml. I have used some milk from this to make the corn flour slurry. Add sugar as per your taste. I have used about 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now whisk this well so that the sugar gets dissolved in the milk. Once the milk starts boiling, give this a stir to avoid the milk sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add the prepared corn flour and cocoa powder slurry and let it boil. To this, add about 100 ml of fresh cream. You can skip this step, but cream adds a rich texture and flavor to the pudding. Now whisk this all well together and let it boil until the corn flour starts thickening the mixture. Once this is slightly thick, add about 100 grams of chopped dark or milk chocolate, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can skip cinnamon, but it will break the chocolatey flavor in the pudding. You can add chocolate chips, dairy milk or any chocolate that you have it in your hand. Now give this a whisk until the chocolate dissolves completely and the pudding starts thickening. Once the pudding looks thick and creamy, switch off the flame and let this cool completely. Step 2. Let's prepare the coffee decoction. For that, add about half a cup of hot water. To this, add about a teaspoon or 2 of instant coffee. Give this a whisk and a coffee decoction is ready. Now, let's move to assemble the pudding. Dip the biscuits in the coffee decoction so that they become slightly soft. I'm using Marie digestive biscuits, but you can use any biscuits of your choice. Now repeat the step until the biscuits form the base of the pudding. Add the prepared chocolate pudding mixture. Fill them until you are unable to see any biscuits. I am adding some peanut butter to give it a crunch in between the layers. Now top this with some dried cranberries or any nuts, fruits of your choice. As I said earlier, this is a super customizable recipe and you can make it with whatever you have. Repeat the biscuit pudding and the peanut butter layer. For the second layer, I am adding some chopped almonds, but you can use any dry fruits, nuts, or you can use some jam, caramel at this stage. Repeat the third layer with biscuits, pudding, and peanut butter. You can build this to as many or as little layers as you want. Now I am topping this with some dried prunes. I have repeated one more layer and topped this with the prepared pudding. If you don't want to do these steps, you can just prepare the pudding and drink it as it is. I am just topping this with some dry fruits and sprinkles for decoration. Refrigerate this for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight, and our delicious eggless no bake chocolate pudding is ready to be served. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.